This flash freeze situation where I think it's very impactful on the roads because all of a sudden you're driving on fine pavement, all of a sudden it ices over. It literally flash freezes. Chicago, we're going to use you as an example, and this is a meteogram. Meteorologists love these kind of things because it's literally all the information you need about the weather in one chart. Let's talk first snowfall. Chicago for us, late afternoon, early evening, some snow starts. This is Saturday into Sunday. Most of it happens in the overnight, wrapping up by Sunday morning, but then the wind really picks up, maybe picking up some of that snow and blowing it around. Let's talk temperatures. So these orange bars correspond to the temperatures, and you're going to see how they just steadily go down. We are losing degrees every hour overnight, as you would expect, and then throughout the day on Sunday, but the temperatures really crash. So we lose about 20 degrees in about 12 hours. They don't recover on Sunday. It stays cold, and the wind picks up as well. That's this down at the bottom bar down here, this purple line, and the wind direction from the northwest up to 30 miles per hour, blowing snow, dropping wind chills, all going to be an issue. The cold is on the move, and you might have heard me say before, cold air waits for no man. Cold air is boss in the atmosphere. Cold air is very dense, it's very heavy, and I think oftentimes it moves even faster than it's predicted to. So we are going to watch this cold air move in starting today, but especially over the weekend, into Minnesota, into Iowa, into Wisconsin, into Illinois, Chicago, here it comes, Indiana, Indianapolis. We're going to lose about 20 degrees in 12 hours as this cold air rushes in. Cold air comes crashing down. Warm air kind of builds, right? And we're going to see it build through the weekend in the east. Temperatures warming up practically to record-breaking levels in places like New York City. By Sunday, we'll be about 60. But the cold air comes crashing in across the upper Midwest, and temperatures dropping off. And by Sunday, Chicago, we're only 16 for a high. The high temperature happening early in the day. And eventually, some of that cold air gets into the Northeast, sending us a little below average by next week. All right, more on the cold air coming up. Let's go with now what's happening across the country with Anna Redis.
Stunning images coming into our newsroom overnight. Good morning, Jen, and good morning to you at home out of Southern California.